Have you ever thought to yourself, ooh, I got a great idea that I can use Google Sheets. I don't need any fancy software development. Wait a moment, don't do that yet. You may not be making the right decision. You name it. It can be a CRM, stock market tracker. It can be your orders, sale orders, or stock inventory system, you name it. You may have sensitive client information or your intellectual property of your business on Google Sheets. You just have a formula that you don't want someone else to have. In this video, I'll show you the sharing options that Google Sheets provides, what those sharing options mean. By the end, you'll understand what are the limitations of those permission settings, what are the protections options that Google Sheets allows for the users, and I'll walk you through all the permissions and sharing options that Google Sheets allows the users. The first thing you can do is protect this file, and you actually go here to data, and then you go here to protect sheets and ranges. And here I can select all the ranges that I want. I'm going to protect the whole thing. I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to set the permissions. And here, whenever I'm protecting, I can use the range editing permission, and I can restrict who's gonna edit this range. It can be only me. It can only be me, or I can select custom, and I can add more emails here to the list that can have permissions. And if I already had permissions set in this same file, I can copy the permissions from another range. Or if it's just something that will break the file, yeah, this one works different. This one I can set who can make changes, but this one everyone can make changes. The thing is that Google is gonna let them know that this might break the file. So if I make an entry here, or I try to change something here, I want to delete this, this is gonna show me a heads up. So I can go ahead and delete it, or I plan to make more changes. I can ask this to don't show this for 5 minutes. You want to share this file with someone else? You can go here to the top and share, and you can see I can add more people to make changes to this file. I can type in people or groups, spaces, or calendar events. Right now, I'm the owner, so I'm always allowed to make the changes. Right now, I added anyone with the link can make can be an editor. And something else here that recently I noticed it changed recently is that now I can select that editors cannot make copies or download or print the file. It used to be that editors were able to make copies. So anytime you will make and give someone permission to make changes here to this file, they will be able to copy all your data. You can now copy, you can disable the copy from editors, or you can enable it too. The first one, you can allow editors to make changes to the permissions, just like I'm doing right now. They can make changes if I allow them here with this option. Or again, I can make people to be able to download, copy, or print. I can disable them to make copies. And for now, I think that will be the best option. So I will now copy the link and share it to someone else. Let's share it with someone else that it's anonymous. I don't know their user account on Google Sheets. So let's say here, you see, well, this one is set to Spanish. This is because, well, I'm in Guatemala, so it's showing this in Spanish. It's localizing the content. Anywhere in the world, they will understand that, that warning. You see, as a viewer, I can have the editor permission, but I'm not allowed to create copies. So this one I will only be able to see, well, if I share this with someone else, I will only be able to see the data that they want me to see. Even if they give me permission to make changes here to the file, or make entries, or add formulas, or change formulas, I can be sure that the person that has that editor permission cannot create a copy. After seeing all this in action, do you think your idea of software or system is good enough in Google Sheets? Or do you think you need a more robust software to develop your idea? If you're interested into learning more robust software to creating a dashboard, I have a video right here where you can learn how to create your first dashboard in Looker Studio. I created a free assessment that you can take online for free. It will help you to measure and improve the time you spend creating and updating your report, the accuracy of your report, and how data-driven your business is. You can take that assessment for free in the link below.